outside. On a hot day like today, I need something to eat that is very light and refreshing. So for today's Cooking with McCabe for Wellness Wednesday, we are going to be making tropical rice. Wondering what tropical rice is? Well, let me tell you what goes into it. First, we have heirloom black rice, all natural and gluten-free. This actually turns out purple, which is very cool in the end. We have cilantro. We have green onion. We have a red onion. We have dry roasted peanuts. We have 2 mangoes. And some oranges. So, let's start prepping the food and getting cooking. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when prepping the food is to cook the rice, because the rice needs to cool down before you serve it. So you definitely want to make sure that you do this first. Let's follow the directions, because a good social skill is being able to follow directions, be patient, and be a good listener. So it says bring 1 cup of the rice and 1 3/4 cup water to boil over high heat. Cover, reduce heat to low, and simmer until tender, about 25 minutes. Fluff with fork before serving, makes 4 cups cooked. We better get started then. Here we go. Now, while the rice is boiling and cooking for 25 minutes, we're gonna start prepping everything else. So, I'll show you how we chop it up and get it ready for our tropical salad. Alright, so our rice is done and we've prepped all the other food. So we have all of our prepped food in this, and we have all of our rice in this bowl. And what you want to do is, again, this is going to be, I used 1 for this, but you're going to want to use 2 cups of the rice. So I have another one cooking right now, it'll be done soon. But you want to refrigerate the rice to make sure it's cold before you mix it with all the other stuff. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and wait until it's not so hot, and let's chill it out a bit and then mix it. Okay. All right, so the rice has cooled down and I mixed in all of the ingredients in here. So this is what it looks like after it's cooled down. Now, once you have this nice, cool, chilled, it's nice, refreshing for a hot summer day like today. I have to head out to the pool, but I hope you enjoy my tropical rice salad. See you soon, everyone. Eat up.